Give a boost to your career in data science with industry-grade and recruiter-demanding capstone project. Experience one-to-one support and live interactive learning with lifetime access to premium learning materials and 2 years access to any LearnBay exclusive live classes. Hone your skills at top notch with domain elective submodules with a variety of industry-specific choices that are available. Specializations offered are sales. This elective covers practical analytic tools and fundamental working ideas that are ready to utilize. It includes AI-based sales channel optimization, advanced web analytics knowledge, including clickstream data and tagging, and more. Automation in human resource management is being implemented. Retail. This elective teaches sentiment analysis, Google Analytics, NLP, recommendation systems, deep learning concepts, and much more. It also covers the application of operations research in supply chain management and introducing learners to the principles, elements, business modules, and other aspects of operating an electronic commerce business. Healthcare. This elective covers an understanding of insurance life cycle and healthcare insurance offerings to predict in advance whether a compound will provoke an adverse reaction before it even rehearses trial of machine learning makes computers learn to interpret MRIs, X-rays, mammographics, and other different medical reports. Some of the most effective uses of data science in healthcare is in medical imaging. BFSI. Banks were eagerly adopters for both procedures and security. As banks are becoming bigger and client loyalty is poor, which implies customers demand more operational efficiency. It also covers several banking and finance data analysis tools and ideas and explains data analytics in the manner that non-mathematicians can comprehend. Manufacturing. Creating sophisticated modules is what data science does in the field of manufacturing, such as aeroplanes, home appliances, furniture, sport equipment, or cars. Assisting mechanical engineers for machinery design and operation. Build the necessary infrastructure for telecommunication. Media. Learners signing up for this elective can learn to analyze statistical data and understand them with clarity, with better identification of target audience, improving business strategies, deployment, and security. Energy. This module covers power failure prediction, dynamic energy management, decreasing drilling time and boosting drilling safety, and optimizing production pump performance. So, what are you waiting for? Schedule a call with our expert now to have a successful career switch to data science. Call on the numbers displayed or write us at contacts@learnbay.co.